At OutsourcingFit.com, we are excited to announce the launch of our new and improved BPO directory, rebuilt from the ground up to give you a faster, smarter, and more useful experience. Whether you're a BPO looking to be discovered or a client looking to compare providers, our new structure makes it easier to filter, search, and connect than ever before. But with this upgrade comes one important change. To ensure full control and data security, all existing users will need to reconnect their accounts. That means, if you're a BPO with a listing, you'll need to reclaim your profile. If you're a client or partner, you'll need to reset your login to access new features. It's a quick one-time process, and we've made it as easy as possible. To reconnect, visit OutsourcingFit.com/directory. Click the Sign In or Login. Search for your listing by typing the company name. Follow the instructions to reset your account or claim your listing. We're here to help if you need support. Just reach out via the contact form. This upgrade is part of our ongoing commitment to making outsourcing easier, safer, and better for everyone involved. Thanks for being part of the Outsourcing Fit community. We can't wait to show you what's next. Reclaim your listing or reset your access now.